Installation of M10 powered off-road step bumper, 2 cushioning straps, and 1 accessory kit. Remove original pedals. Loosening the beam screws in preparation for installing the tread bar brackets. Separate the beam screws and spacers with a press. Before installing the bracket, please choose the correct order according to the instructions. Bracket stuck between spacer and bolt. Remove the original fender screws. Stabilize the positioning plate and attach the cushioning tape. Installing the pedal body. Tighten the original screws. Tighten the screws of the pedal bar body and the bracket in turn. Tighten the original fender screws, bringing the wiring harness into the cabin. Secure from the battery connector. Thread the wiring harness into the pedal and secure with a cable tie. Wire harness to control box plug. LED lighting plug pair. Route the harness to the other side. Wiring harnesses are secured to the top of the beam with tie wraps. Docking plugs are inserted inside the pedal bar. Pry open the original plug. Thread the wiring harness into the car, with the rubber ring catching the housing. Docking magnetic induction harness. Snap the induction harness into the stock interior trim panel seam for front, rear. Align the underside of the door lock and apply the magnetic induction. Sticker need to differentiate between left and right L, R. Align the underside of the door lock and apply the magnetic induction. Sticker need to differentiate between left and right L, R. Let the wiring harness to the main driver. Connect the magnetic induction sticker and off-road switch. Route the switch harness through the mounting bracket. Docking harnesses and switches, black, yellow, and red in that order. Switch into fixed bracket. Put back the interior panel and store the wiring harness. Store the docking plug inside the pedal and secure it. Door magnetic stickers.